Hello everyone, today I'm gonna review this thing, this Sony Sports Pack SPK-CXA. SPK-CXA. I got it from Fry's on clearance for $9.99. $9.90 I think. You see the receipt? Yeah, they're clearancing all the old Sony stuff. Where's the receipt now? Okay, I found the receipt. Here it is. $9.90. Okay, and the Sony camera that we got is a this is my son's camera. Actually, it's a CX130. I tried to put it in there, but it doesn't fit right because this one has a USB thing here, USB cable here, and I don't know. It kind of like when I push it in, this thing is in the way. Bad. And this is what I bought for $1.90. There's a little dirt inside. I have to clean that later. That's my dog over there playing with her toy. Anyway, this Sony is the reason this is Sony compatible is because of the connection that they had here. They have inside. You open this by pushing this button and side button. I don't know if you can see that. The reason this is Sony compatible is because of the cable that comes with it. This cable here. This little. You can see this shape. I think it's an AV switch for Sony. It only works with this one. It's an AV remote, I guess. See? And if you put this in here, it'll control this. You will be able to use the buttons here. The buttons here. Yes, power. Yes. Power, mode, photo, stop, and zoom in, zoom out. But I tried to fit this in here, but it doesn't work right. And I made some adjustments. And while videoing this, I still don't know what is this thing for. Anyway, it's an open box, so I don't know if it's missing stuff or not too. Okay, I moved this thing already to here, from here to here, and I still can't fit it right. Let me show it to you. Okay, I got the camera here. I'm gonna try to put it here. There we go. Hey, you went in. Hey. Oh, it went in, but the thing is closed though. See, the strap is in the way. The strap is in the way. So I won't be able to use this, and this is very important to use with this one. See? It doesn't fit right. And look at here. This thing has to be center. If this thing was center in the middle, or if it offset to the left here, then it would fit perfectly. Now I'm gonna try it with my other video camera. My camera. This is my son's. This is the JVC, and it's now not compatible list because it's supposed to only work with Sony, and I cannot use the buttons over here, but I can use it with a remote. I have a remote for this, so I'm gonna use the remote to control the video camera. I'm gonna fit it in there and I'll show it to you. take this out. Okay, I got the JVC in here. What you do, you flip this over. You do this with a Sony too. And slide it in there. And this one I'm using a larger battery. Okay, that's snug in there. Now since I can use this, just gonna put this on the side. Close it. And there's a window here where you can see if the battery is touching all there's a window here to see if the battery is hitting the back of the cover here or not. And there's a seal here. Do not put anything on the seal, any dirt, because it might cause it to leak water. Snug it tight. There you go. And this one is perfectly centered. See? Oh, almost perfectly centered. And you can see what it's seeing by opening this side. It's a reflection of what you're seeing. You see what you meant? See that? So I can actually use it on a JVC. Let's use the remote. So you probably can use it on any, not all, but you might be able to use it on any smaller video camera. If you have the remote, just use the remote. Now, I haven't tried it in the water yet because I don't know if it has a leak or not. Maybe that's why the guy returned it, because it's an open box, because maybe it leaked. Anyway, I'm gonna try and dip it in water, and if it's no leak, then I'm gonna try it with the camera inside and see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in water without the camera first. Okay. And open side. Let's see what happens. And to open this, you have to push this button here and slide this thing on the top. Okay. Slide it out. There's a little thing here. Slide it out. Okay. What I'm gonna do is gonna put a dry paper towel inside there. So if there's a leak, this paper towel should get wet. My unscientific study. Put it in one inside there and one next to the door. And when it's dry, then I'm going to use it to wipe this down. There you go. That open. Now time for the test. That's good, I guess. If you lost it, if you lose this in the water, it just float up. Or maybe not. Your camera and it's gonna be too heavy. It might sink under the water. It probably will. It's floating up. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it down and shake it around since that's how you're gonna be using it. You're gonna be moving in water, so ocean waves. And this one has a tripod holder here. Hopefully it doesn't get rusted. I don't like that sound, the bubbling sound. Okay, I took the napkin out and they are dry. I just made sure that the seal are this part here where it opens. I wipe that down first before I open it, that way no water will go in there. And my JVC is inside there now. And I'm gonna test it in the water with I'm gonna use the remote control. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't break this one. Otherwise I'll be in deep trouble. Okay, be back. Okay, camera's dry, still running. Nah, I'm not sure if he was able to pick up my voicemail inside the camera. I guess you could use this cable to. It has an audio stuff there, I think. Not sure. I'm gonna rewind this one, see what happens. Now, if only I could make this work here. Maybe there's some adapter I could use to make it more center, and I could use the Sony one. Let's see, I can press stop recording on this one. Press play. Are you singing, Pops? Yep. You can't hear what I'm saying. That's the problem. Only problem with this one. You can't hear anything. Everything is inside here, so there's no way you can hear me. But anyway, it's gonna be underwater anyway. Oh, okay. You see, there's actually there's a speaker port over here. This is actually the little two holes here where the water was going in. There's actually a microphone. There's the inside the water. That was the microphone. That was where the bubbles were coming out from. Okay, I guess that's my review on this one. It's not bad. I'll keep it though. This dollar. It's only less than $10, so it's a good deal. Just need to find a way to adapt my Sony camera. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Maybe there's an adapter in here somewhere. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.
See you next time for the next movie class. We will get your entrance by the other movies.